And this is the sixth video on the concept of polynomial. In this video, we will discuss about the division algorithm for the polynomial. So division of polynomial also follows the basic rule of the division, only the representation changes. So dividend is represented by px, divisor is represented by gx, quotient is represented by qx, and remainder is represented by rx. And the check formula that dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder is also applicable. Means px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. So while dividing the polynomials, we have to take care of some points. First thing is we have to convert px and gx both in the standard form. Means we have to arrange them in the descending order of the power. Second thing is each term of the divisor must be multiplied by the quotient in every step. Like if we observe here are two terms in the divisor. So when we multiply it by the quotient, we will get the two terms. Next thing is the polynomials with the same degree must be solved together. Means x square into x square gives x to the power 4. That will be solved with the x to the power 4 only. And 2 into x square gives 2x square. That will be solved with the x square and not with the x cube. And there are some important notes which we must know. First thing is if your gx divides your px completely, that means remainder is 0. In that case, your gx is a factor of the px. Second thing, if question says what should be added, in that case, we have to write our answer, our remainder, but with the opposite sign. Means after dividing, what remainder we will get, we have to write that with the opposite sign. That will be the number or the polynomial that we have to add. Same way, if question says what should be subtracted, in that case we just have to write the remainder as our answer. Like if we are getting remainder as x plus 2, so our answer is we have to subtract x plus 2. Now let me tell you how to divide by solving one simple question. In this question, px is given and gx is given. So let's solve it. So our aim is we have to make this x equals to x cube. So we have to multiply this by the x square. So x square into x gives us the x cube, and 2 into x square gives us 2x square. In every step we have to change the sign. This will get cancelled. Here we get minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Now we have to make x equals to minus x square. So we have to multiply by minus x. This will be minus x square minus 2x. Again sign is going to change. Plus and the plus. This get cancelled. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4x plus 5. Now we have to make x equals to 4x. So plus 4 we have to take. So 4x plus 4 2s are 8. Now after changing the sign, we get minus 3 as the remainder and our x square minus x plus 4 as the quotient. So like this way we can do our division very easily. Now this other type of question which is very important for the exam point of view. Question says find all the zeros of the polynomial if two of its zeros are given. So a polynomial is given, then root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 are zeros of this polynomial px. In the next step, we will make factor from the 0. So when we make the factor, plus 0 gives us a minus factor and minus 0 gives us a plus factor. So this will become x minus root 3 by 2 and this will become x plus root 3 by 2 as a factor of the px. After then we use the identity a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Solving it further, we get x square minus 3 by 2 and after multiplying by 2, we get 2x square minus 3 is a factor of px. So this is our first step, that we have to find the first factor of our polynomial px. In the second step, we have to divide our polynomial by this factor. So 2x square minus 3 is the gx. Using this we are going to divide our px. So this division work you have done right now. We have to make 2x square equals to 2x to the power 4. So we are going to multiply it by the x square. So this will become 2x square. Then 3 into x square is 3x square. After changing the sign, 2x to the power 4 going to cancel. Solving it further, we get our remainder 0. This you have to take care. In this step, your remainder must be 0. After then, the third step is we have to do the middle term splitting of the quotient. So in this case, our quotient is x square minus 5x plus 4. So after doing the splitting work, we get our x equals to 4 and the 1. So zeros for this polynomial are 4, 1, root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. So it's a very important question. So you have to practice this question. Question is easy, only you have to take care of the step. And then there is one more type of the question. In this question, our px is given, but gx is not given. Quotient and remainder is also given. So we have to find the value of the gx. So for this type of question, we have to use that check formula that px is equals to gx into qx plus rx. First of all, we'll shift the rx on the other side. With the minus sign it goes there, and then we will send our qx in the division. And after placing the value and further simplifying it, we get our answer by dividing our x minus 2 and your x cube square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. The quotient in this case will give us our gx. So hopefully you are able to understand the concept easily. Thank you.